39 baht. You getting that one? It's not per piece, it's by box. I'm at KHLONG TOEI Market at the moment, and it's just about noon. Some things are just about to be wrapped up, but most of the things here are still open. So I'm just here to sort of like see the local produce over here, and then see the prices. One of my list when I go to a different country is to visit their local market. So it's a complete market over here. You can get your fresh produce, you can get your meat, vegetables, chicken, pork, and lots of seafood. And the seafood over here is in abundance. You can get squid, sotong, prawns of different shapes and sizes, prawns of different size and quality.
Below 300 per kilo.
Yeah, and it's all below like 300 baht per kilo. So I'm sure if we are here earlier in the morning, there would be lots more activity going on. Right at the back is all the fresh seafood, pork, chicken, meat, beef, and I'm walking towards vegetables area. Okay, let's see what they have. Are these mushrooms? So shimeji mushroom there. So the one that they use in their pad thai is this one over here. You can find ginger here.
No, 60 cents.
อ๋อหมูกระร้องน่ะแม่กระหล่ำน่ะครับพี่
Kitchen is just
Ooh, yeah. This is 1 kilo.
1 กิโล
Half kilo.
half
150 half kilo.
อันนี้ half กิโล
This one. Besok balik. Besok balik boleh lah. I can make prawn. Okay, I take half kilo.
half กิโล
Ya, satu.
half โล
Half kilo. Tengah record.
กิโล
Okay. Can Thai? Can the...
Oh. ใช่มันถ้ามันไม่ต้องมัดก็ได้
Oh, okay. Can put inside.
มันจะได้
Okay. Okay. Yes. ขอบคุณครับ Thank you.
ครับ
So, yeah. So in Thai, this is called sataw. And I was asking him if he could just tie it up, but he says you need to let it air out. So hopefully, because we are going back tomorrow, so we're gonna to stick inside our we're gonna stick into the plane, this one, and then balik. Hopefully Saturday kita masak something to do with sataw ni. Petai. Berapa kilo tu? And there's grilled fish as well. So this is sold by the packet. So one packet is about 35 baht. And the bigger fish are like 70 baht. And you have pomelo as well.
Dah goreng ya? Dah kering, dah masak.
Yeah, dah masak. I think we just lightly grill. And this is the orange that they use to make the fresh juice. The small slim bottle packaging that we see all around MBK and in fact everywhere. In fact, they use this kind of lime or orange here. It has a sweeter and more masam taste than the conventional orange. And there's tamarind as well, asam, and chili flakes by the kilo.
นักคุยยักษ์คิวไม่ส่งเสียงเห็นไหมเห็นเพื่อนบอกเป๊ะ
This market, I realize, is big. It's like a maze that you enter from one point to the other, and then you find yourself lost in the maze because different sections of the market sell different things. And look at the background I'm looking at now.
Fresh.
So this is tilapia fish. One size, big size like this is about 40 baht. And you can see they are still fresh. And 3 pieces, slightly medium, is about 100 baht.
The big one.
So the bigger one over there is about 50 baht. Okay. Alright. Khot kun khap, thank you. Live chicken and duck as well. Okay, this is a wet part, right? Okay lah, let's go straight. Assalamualaikum. And there's even chili flakes for sale as well. I think I'm going to buy chili flakes. Sibling mak nak. How many? 20 baht. 100 gram. How many gram? Okay.
One kid.
One kid. Okay. Kacang? Okay. Thank you. So they sell all stuff of dried produce over here. You got the ikan masin. I saw something. This is already flavored. There's kacang, there's mung beans if you like, and different types of pineapple from as low as 10 baht per piece. So I think we are already entering the fruit section. Fresh basil.
Mana ni? Tu.
This one.
Besar ni. Oh, bos dah. You dare to bring back?
Basil cepat layu. I've never seen fresh basil that big before each leaf. Because the one I usually see are those small leaves, but those are big leaves. And we are entering the dry parts of the market itself. Here you can find anything from tea to sabun to toothpaste to oil to dried chili. And the path is really endless.
Nampak terus pecah.
And you can also find food packaging over here.
Kalau bisa cantik ya.
Yeah.
Ya. Pun tak banyak sangat dah. Ni apa je?
Green apple. You eat orange, right?
Ini urus mayang ni.
Oh. Okay, I found the Thai spoon that I've been wanting to buy for quite some time. So these are like soup spoon. There's of course different brands over here. You have the Sun, you have the usual Zebra. I'm getting...
I think the cheaper one is Shark.
Oh yeah. So I think I get...
Is it?
You're right. So there's 12 pieces inside. This is a good souvenir to bring back because all the food you've been eating here, they usually serve the soup with this spoon. So Hasyim was pointing out there's a grill over here that you can like a lot of things I want to buy here for props for menu to kitchen as well as for own consumption, but well, there's so much things we can get in one day, isn't it? So I'm just gonna check this. Right, so the spoon is like this. So getting this one. So I think the price is this, 39 baht.
You check first.
I will check first.
This is one piece only.
ยาว
Keep it.
Only 39 baht. You getting that one? It's not per piece, it's by box. There's the different sizes of the strainer, ladle and soup all over here.
How much was it?
39 baht, so it's loosely
12 piece.
12 pieces,
1 dozen here.
so 1 dozen.
Okay. I want to take a look also.
Yeah.
If I can find ayam. The good stuff here. And that is for before you bring into the plastic for soup. Happy?
Happy, alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, so we are done here. Ah, okay. This is a most ni macam batu lesung. But I think it's also used to pound somtam in it. And this one is used to shred the mango. This is like pisang salai. And of course, they sell different sorts of biscuits and preserved fruits. And just at the fringe of the main road, where the end of the market is, you can find sweet treats like biscuits, packet foods, crackers, and you can buy these things like this. Right, we just walk to the end.
The mall is there. So
Where's the mall?
anything